Okay, so this is my last review for tonight, and I got another request to test Rising Antivirus. I think it's a Chinese antivirus if I remember right. So I downloaded it off the net here. It's a fairly large installer. I think it's like 83.4 megabytes. Let's install it here. We have a kind of a cool little icon here. It's like a lion's face with a mane or whatever, and they say, it's a lion strong or something. Uh, we'll we'll see how that really works here. Now, I don't know if the installer is slow because it's slow or because I'm really taxing my system right now. So, if it starts taking forever doing something, I'll just pause the video and then I'll come back when it's done. There's no point of you guys watching me, just watching a green bar move across the screen. Okay, I'm gonna pick English here. I have the same links as I did when I tested Spyware Terminator and CounterSpy earlier today. I'll agree to the account, or not the account, the end user. We're going to do a full install in stock location. We're not going to add a shortcut to the quick launch bar. We're not going to scan the memory for viruses before installing because this is a clean computer. Installer seems to be going by pretty quick, so that's nice to see. It's version 21.56.32. It doesn't look like it's been updated in a while. Well, that's when its last update was. September 17th. Yeah, September 17th. It's going to install the network driver, whatever plugin, whatever you want to call it, because this is their internet security suite. So I think it's got a firewall here. And now it's going to restart Windows. So I'm going to pause the video while it's restarting. Okay, Windows has restarted here. So I guess the last thing you want to do is just hit finish here. And it'll run Rising here. It's doing a checking system security test. We're gonna not do the password here. We're not gonna enable startup scan or embed for Office scan or any other type of embedding. We're gonna do the that's for the firewall, the smart update. It's gonna be on automatic. So finally got Windows starting here. Looks like we have a little green umbrella here for the icon. This would be the home screen, I would suspect. We can update here. So we got a lot of stuff to update. So we're gonna update everything. It's also updating the version from 21.5632 to 21.5822. There's some signatures, I think, virus signatures, yep, getting updated. Seems like it's checking components too, and now it's copying over the files. Okay, it looks like it's updated. Now it's just restarting everything back up. Okay, so that's all started. Okay, let's go over the settings here. Let's go to detailed settings. Okay, startup scan. We're not. These are all just the scan components and how you want to set up standby scan, startup scan, office scan, that type of stuff. We're more interested in auto protect. Enable at boot. Enable at boot. File monitor, medium security. Okay, that's good. Email monitor, that's good. Active defense, medium level. I'm gonna leave everything right where it is. Malicious behavior interceptor. I'm gonna leave everything where it is. I'm not gonna mess with any of the settings on this. So we're gonna close out this window here. We got about 3 minutes before I have to start another video, so we can see how many of these we can actually get through here. Now, if you've watched any of the videos I've done today, you know that some of these are dead and not working right. I know that first one doesn't work right, so we're gonna skip it. Get you in this loop, and you can't close Internet Explorer. You have to close it through Task Manager. Or Secure Fighter, that's installing. Okay, here we go. Active Defense has intercepted an attempt to change the registry keys protected by Rising. What would you like to do? Well, because it's we're going to deny those. And if you don't know what to do here and you're kind of stuck, you get about 14 seconds and it's going to deny it automatically anyway. So we're going to deny that. We're going to quarantine and delete those files. And so we get here. Looks like Secure Fighter maybe made it through, and it looks like it did. Looks like that first one didn't make it through. That first rogue was the one that it was popping up asking about. Okay, let's see here if anything comes up on this one. There we go. We got a medium warning, possibly initiated by malware. Change registry keys protected. So we're going to block that also. And you'll see if you don't do anything, like I said, it automatically blocks it for you. So far I haven't seen anything. This is all from their Smart Active Defense, which is basically, I think, like their HIPS, or it might be a malware blocker. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure exactly what theirs is. The Smart Active Defense, if it's HIPS or behavior blocker is what I meant to say. And as you saw, it automatically blocked that for me. Okay, that's one that's got a. I think this IRS here doesn't work anyway. Oh, and it looks like I gotta start a new video, so I will be back in video 2.